In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for shopping. Start by going to Google and searching for ChatGPT Shopping. Click on the official OpenAI ChatGPT link to access the platform. Once inside ChatGPT, simply type what you're looking for, whether it's electronics, home appliances, or fashion. And ChatGPT will help you find relevant product suggestions with details like features and descriptions. If you need more clarity, you can ask follow-up questions, explore more options, or request specific details. ChatGPT responds in a conversational way, helping you narrow down your choices more easily. For better results, add your preferences such as budget, brand, color, or specific features. The more details you provide, the more personalized your recommendations will be. Before making a final decision, you can also ask for comparisons, pros and cons, and detailed breakdowns to help you choose the right product. Once you've selected your product, you can proceed to purchase it by visiting the seller's website or using the provided purchase option if available. And that's how you can use ChatGPT for shopping. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials.